Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here, my name is Allyson. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. Clearly, I have been a little MIA. When was my last upload? Who the hell knows? But I'm back. I've got some time in my busy schedule to film some content for you. And today we are creating this crazy extraterrestrial, galaxy-ish, doodle-dee-da alien palette look from Jeffree Star himself. Jeffree released this palette, this alien palette, with his holiday collection. I don't really know if he's considering this his holiday collection or part of it, but I've had it for a long time. Today I am doing a first impression with it. I'm creating the look that is on my eyeballs right now. This is going to be the part one of a part two series, or the part one of a two-part series. This is going to be part one, filming this look, and then part two is going to be doing the lip swatches of his holiday collection. I love doing lip swatch videos of his because he has such fun colors. Super happy to be back with you guys. I can't wait to start creating more content. I've got so many things I need to film. I've got James Charles sitting next to me. I've got Brett Maroc and ColourPop. I've got I Love Sarai and ColourPop. I've got so much. And without further ado, if you want to see how I created this little greeny halo eye, Nikki Tutorials is shaking, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have not opened this box at all. Here it is. I just untaped it. So this is a first impression. I've literally been waiting months and months and months. Oh, okay, rip the box. I have been waiting months and months. Like a month, if we're gonna be really honest. It's really only been a month. But I have not opened it at all because I didn't want to like do a first impression, but like not a real first impression, but like I opened it and like saw it, but like so this is the palette's box. It's not even the palette and I'm like freaking out because I'm a hype beast and I freak out over everything that's Jeffree Star. But oh my god, it's like leather. Oh my god. It's the size of my head. It's bigger than my head. This is bigger than my head. So this is the palette. It is a pink leather and it has these little pop out, it's literally like 3D, you can see them, pop out metallic eyes on the alien, and it flips up, humongo mirror. And then here you have that. Oh my god. Shih Tzu, look at that. I honestly have no idea where I'm going to begin. I've looked at the color story online like 18,000 times and I'm like, oh, I'm going to do it this way, or I'm going to do it this way. So let's just get on with it. I'm just going to start away and hopefully it'll turn out somewhat good. So I am going to start out with the shade Abduction, which is the like crazy neon one in the corner over here. Okay, now that that shade is laid, I am going to go in with this shade over here called Flying Saucer, right here. It is, oh god, it is like a tealy green, and I think that's gonna go really well with Abduction. Alright, I think that is looking super cool now. I am going to make this into a halo eye. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the little center of the eyes, and we will play with some of the shimmer shades in the palette. Alright, I'm going to do one eye at a time, and I'm going to add a little bit of this NYX glitter primer. I do this with every shimmer shade I use, so it's only fair to do it now. Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with the shade UFO and Alien, which are the gold and the green. Gold and the green. I think I'm just gonna keep that gold. Woo! Hey, quit it. I'm gonna take the green shimmer and just kind of play with it in there as well. Wow! Oh my god. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Flying Saucer to blend out those edges. Alright, and that is one eye completely done with the shadow, that is. Not completely done. I'm going to go ahead and do this one off of camera because it takes me a little bit. You saw how long it took me to do the little halo. I will be back though. Okay, so that is both eyes all done with shadow, and then I added a liner with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, where's she at? Venus Flytrap liquid lipstick. His liquid lipsticks are vegan, cruelty-free, and eye-safe, so you are allowed to use these on your eyes. He came out with this last year during his summer collection. I don't think it was this year. Could have been this year. I think it was last year. But he came out with this, yes, last year's summer collection. And I remember doing a lip swatch video with it and being like, when the fuck am I ever going to use this? So I'm glad I got to. And it's perfect with this eye look. So I think that I'm going to just put the shade Flying Saucer on the lower lash line to kind of complete her, and then add some of those shimmers back into the lower lash line as well. Okay, so for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this top shade over here called Pluto. It looks like a duochrome kind of white shade. I think it'd be really nice. Hold on, my dog's coming. I think it'd be really nice as an inner corner highlight, and I think it'll really take in all the colors and pop. And to finish up this eye look by just adding a little bit of a oomph on the semi-cut crease haloed look, I'm going to add the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Distortion. Okay, so as you can see, I finished off the look with some lashes, and some mascara. I am obsessed with this look. Couldn't have loved it more. Couldn't have loved it more. I put a little lippy on. Since this is the part 1, I just put a nude on for now. Part 2 will be coming, which is a lip swatch video of all of the holiday collection lipsticks. I started to highlight my face and realized, oh my god, Allyson, you're still not filming. Like, chill out for a second. So I took the shade Pluto from the palette, which is in my inner corner. And as you can see, she is blinding. And I am just lightly treading the skin with it. I'm obsessed with it. That's insane. Okay. So as you can see, this is my bare cheek. And we will start. Ooh, okay. Good morning. We are trying to see everyone in outer space. Jeffree and all the aliens. And then I will just add some to the tip of my nose. Ooh, ooh. Okay, she really added some. And then just because it's not really the best color for my skin tone, I'm just gonna press it in with my beauty blender to try to not be crazy looking. Guys, oh wait, I did want to add one more thing. Let me find it. Oh, here she is. Here she is. I did want to add, just for this video, I wanted to add a little bit of a zhuzh to the look. So I have the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Charm. And I'm just going to add that in the center. Oh my god, did you see that? Wow. Okay. And again, that is the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Charm. It looks like a shifting shade. I had no idea that gold was going to come out of that. But it did. Okay, so this is the final look using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Palette. My final thoughts on this palette is that I love it. It's so Jeffree. It's so pigmented. It is different than anything I've seen on the market, which I think is so cool. I definitely have not seen this color story anywhere. I have two notes. One note is that sometimes this Flying Saucer shade got a little bit patchy on my outer corners. Don't know why, it just did. Could have just been my eyes. I have no idea. But the other comment that I do have is this shade Alien, which is a shimmery green. Every time I put it on my eyes would get a little bit irritated, and I'm not really 100% sure why. None of his shadows have ever done that to me before. I've never had any issues whatsoever. It could just be the color of it that's like not vibing with my eye. I don't know. But that was the only two complaints that I had about this palette. Other than that, I think that it is amazing. If you like to play with color, then I would 100% recommend this palette. So yeah, stay tuned for the lip swatches of his holiday collection, holiday 2018 collection. I apologize for being so MIA, so behind on the curve. I have so many videos to film. I've just got a ton of packages that I ordered that I've just been waiting for some time, some downtime to film for you guys. So I hope you like this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. Stay loving, stay positive, and I'll see you on the next one.